Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to make panorama video in your iPhone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to tap on camera, then friends click on this panorama and click on this. So you have to make it like this, and so it's be like, and you can see the photo. Friends, this is how you can make panorama picture. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.